Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today we are focusing on cleaning my hoarder closet. I have got way too much stuff in this small bedroom and I just need to get rid of it. There's a ton of stuff I don't wear, a ton of stuff that I was selling on Poshmark that I'm not anymore, and it's all just time to go. So that's what we're doing today. Also, my good friend Lacie is doing a hoarder video as well today. So after you watch this video, go check her out. I love Lacie and I think y'all will too. So I just wanted to give her a big shout out today. But without further ado, let's get into this cleaning video.
Can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me?
So I'm just starting out by pulling all the items that I never wear, and I'm going to take them off the hanger and put them in a huge pile in my floor. So if you see me pulling out a lot of things, know that those are the things that are going to go. And we're going to do a little Konmari method in putting the clothes back in my dresser instead of hanging them up on this rack.
No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When times get rough, I try to tell you we need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no.
So I'm getting rid of about 75% of my clothes, I would say, maybe 90%. I'm getting rid of all of these that you see right now. Some of these were mine, and some of these were clothes that I used to sell on Poshmark, and I've stopped selling clothes on there to devote all my time to YouTube and creating my own clothing line. So there's a ton of stuff that's got to go, but y'all, I know this is really hard. There's some things that I struggled with. I didn't want to part with some items that were kind of sentimental to me, but they were taking up space and I'm never going to wear them again. So I know it's hard sometimes to get rid of some stuff, but you really got to be honest with yourself. And if you know you're never going to wear it again, or you just don't have space to hold on to it, give it to someone that you know is going to love it. So I'm really happy and excited that all of these clothes I'm giving away, someone else is going to be able to love these that maybe would otherwise not have been able to find them at a good deal. So all of these are going to be donated to thrift stores, and that is such an awesome thing to do because people can go to thrift stores that maybe not be able to afford going to, high-end stores to buy their clothes, and a lot of these are really good name brands. So I'm just excited to offer these to other people that could really use them.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh.
So I have a lot of other things I would like to get rid of, but today we're just going to be focusing on the clothes. I feel like this is also a great idea. It kind of frees up your mind. You only have to think about doing one thing that day and you don't have to do it all, Like, I definitely don't feel like you ever have to do it all in one day, and you can really just devote your time and energy into just doing one task. So today we're just focusing on clothes, but make sure you're subscribed so that in the future, if you want to see what other stuff I go through in this room, you'll be notified when those videos upload.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
going to take down my clothing rack. It's super wobbly and it's also broken, so it's not that usable for me. And I'm going to clear out my dresser, move it where the clothing rack was. It's going to free up a ton of space in this room, and all of my clothes can go in my dresser now. Alright, and now onto the Konmari method. So, we got rid of all the things that didn't bring us joy or just needed to go, and now I'm going to be rolling these clothes and putting them, you know, vertically in rows. And I actually did enjoy doing this. I hope it can stay this way, but I also tried to make it look pretty and all the colors kind of going together. But I definitely did not do that in the top drawer. That's just bras and underwear, and they're just thrown in there. So, you know, organize what you want to organize, but definitely don't feel like everything has to be completely organized. It just needs to be functional. So I think this is going to be functional for me, but we shall see.
Jump around when I think about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly. My, oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine?
So, sad face moment. I was going to move my rack and one of the poles fell off. I told y'all it's not very sturdy, so all these hangers I had organized, now I have to reorganize.
You, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck. Give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Oh, we could be birds discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those.
Alright, so now I'm going through my hoodies, and this is the part that I struggled with because I live in hoodies, y'all. It's really easy for me to get rid of other clothing apparel, but hoodies are like a staple for me. But I really had to think about it, and I did end up getting rid of probably 70% of them.
Promise you, I promise you,
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that I love you.
So this is all I've gotten rid of so far. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. So now I'm going to clean up around the house a little bit. Also, I have a load of laundry I need to fold, and I'd like to see how much of it is mine, because I feel like I'm only missing a few things, and then my clothes will all be organized and where they should be.
Looking in your eyes, I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause of love.
So I've been trying my best every day to keep my house clean, even if, I'm not filming. I feel like a lot of cleaners only clean when they are filming it, or at least that's what I was doing. But I do think even if you watch a video where the house seemingly looks clean already, there's always something to do, even if it looks clean. Trust me, my house is not clean, even if it looks that way.
I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause your love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I look down for you in the middle of my pain. I reach down farther, calling out your name. Always I'm searching for a long lost piece of heart. I sought and found you, like a fire in the deepest parts. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart. I will hold on to you no matter what.
Y'all, let me know if you enjoy these types of songs. I really enjoy them. I feel like they're different. Not a lot of people do use these types of songs in their cleaning videos, and I just feel like it's very relaxing, and I just love it because I feel like it makes me feel like, I can slow down. I can clean at my own pace. I don't have to be this superwoman that, gets it all done. And there's so much comparing on the internet between people that make cleaning videos and then also people that, watch cleaning videos. And if you're someone that watches, never ever compare yourself. You do what is right for you. And if you're someone that makes cleaning videos, also don't compare yourself. You do what you feel is right for you. And that to me is just awesome because, we're all different, and it's okay if you want to do things around your house a certain way, and it doesn't mean that if you do it one way that someone else is doing it the wrong way. We can all do it how we like to do it, and it still be just fine.
Last forever.
I hope this video gave y'all some encouragement today and inspiration, motivation, all those good things. I always want y'all to leave happier than you came. I feel like they always said that in church too, like you always want to leave happier than you came. But I hope this just gave you as much as encouragement as it could, and I am going to show y'all what I'm eating for dinner, but I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to go check out It's All Messy's channel, which is Lacie. Y'all, she is just such a real, genuine person. She is a country bumpkin. Hopefully she doesn't get offended by me saying that. I'm kind of country too. But tonight we are having this. It's a pork loin with a lot of vegetables and sausage. Just a little FYI, we did not eat the pork loin. I ate the vegetables, and then we actually just took the sausages and put them in buns and had them like, you know, like a hot dog almost. So Aaron was not a fan of, he doesn't like broccoli, but I love broccoli. So anyways, I will see y'all back here on Friday for another video. I know y'all like the 5 videos a week, but I want to make sure that each and every video I put out is, you know, really special and touching and encouraging. So I want to make sure that, you know, I'm really being intentional with what I put out there. But I'm going to let y'all read this scripture, and I will see y'all back here on Friday. Bye.
We don't need no